In this video, I will show you how to easily turn an image into a vintage with CSS. On my screen, there are two images with the same source file. The first one has a class of vintage while the other does not. Let's add the old-fashioned look to the image. The first filter, Grayscale 1, removes all color from the element and displays it in black and white. The second filter, Sepia 1, gives the element a brownish-gray tint, giving it a vintage or old-fashioned appearance. The third filter, HueRotate 35 degrees, changes the overall color of the element by rotating its hue by 35 degrees. These filters are applied in the order they are listed, so the element is first converted to grayscale, then given a sepia tint, and then has its hue rotated. This can create a combination of these effects on the element. The CSS filters, grayscale, sepia, and HueRotate, are widely supported in modern web browsers. According to Kenayus, all major desktop and mobile browsers support these filters, including Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. You can use a tool like Kenayus to check the level of browser support for different CSS features and plan your code accordingly. Thank you for watching.